Here we have a standard non-combo enclosed control unit and a kit required to field install a start-stop push-button 10250T kit. We have the following part numbers: ECN 0508 AAA and kit number C400T1. Step 1 in installing the C400T1 kit is to screw off the nut on the inside of the flange connected to the hole plugs. Discard the 2 hole plugs. Step 2 is to unscrew the nut and legend plate from the C400T1 kit. Step 3 is to mount the push buttons on the box by taking it from the inside and pulling it up through the hole. Place a legend plate on the outside of the flange over the push buttons and lock it down with the nut. Step 4 is to begin with the start push button. Feed the yellow wire into auxiliary contact 2, that's 2 of 3, and screw down tight. Feed the black wire into auxiliary contact 3, 3 of 4, and screw down tight. For the stop push button, the red wire would connect to the customer's device or terminal block if installed, otherwise leave unwired. The end result is catalog number ECN 0508ABA.